Vaseline hacks you should definitely know.
Hack 1. Lip Scrub. Dry cracked lips can be frustrating, especially in this dry weather. Make a simple scrub by combining sugar and Vaseline together to exfoliate dead skin and lock in moisture. This will leave your lips soft, smooth, and perfectly plump. You can see the results on hand too. Let's check on lips. Scrub your lips properly and then wipe.
Oh my goodness!
The results are amazing. Hack 2. Highlighter. Mix a powder highlighter or shimmery eyeshadow with Vaseline for a creamy hydrating alternative. This DIY highlighter stays put all day, leaving your skin with a natural glowing finish. Mix, mix, mix. Wow, it's so sparkling. Now, let's see the results on face. Apply in small amounts at highlighting areas.
Wow!
Make your DIY highlighter right now. This Vaseline hack is a must-try. Hack 3. Homemade Tinted Lip Balm. Tired of dry colorless lips, but don't want to buy an expensive lip balm? Mix a small amount of Vaseline with a tiny bit of your favorite lipstick in a clean container. This simple DIY creates a glossy, moisturizing lip color. It hydrates and enhances your lips with a natural tinted finish. Perfect for any occasion. Now let's apply. This gives your lips a natural tint. Can be used as a cheek tint too. Blend, blend, blend. Use as an eyeshadow too. Hack 4. Mascara alternatives. Mascara can dry out or be difficult to apply after some time. Try using Vaseline as a natural mascara alternative. By applying it to your eyelash curler, it hydrates and curls lashes while reviewing dried mascara for smooth application. Instead of eye curler, you can use your hands too. Uplift your eyelashes with just Vaseline. Try today. Hack 5. As a primer. Apply a tiny amount to dry areas before your foundation to create a smooth hydrated base. It locks in moisture, prevents makeup from caking, and gives your skin that dewy, radiant finish. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Follow for more such videos. Thanks for watching.